Hello, welcome to Jim's Workshop. Today I'd like to give you a little status update on the Stuart S50 model steam engine that I am repairing and restoring. I've kind of taken a little bit of a break from it while I was waiting for the new cylinder casting to arrive from Stuart. You can see that I have gotten the new casting now. In the meantime, I thought I would redo or remake some of the other parts that I knew I wanted to replace on this. Starting with the crosshead slide guides. So I did go ahead and make a couple of the other ones. The original ones, just basically a flat metal 3/16 inch bar, a couple holes drilled in them. Not very stylish or attractive. I made some of these out of brass. To my mind, they look a lot better. I've incorporated the standoffs right into the bottom of the guide rail. Added a little bit of style to it, sandblasted it to make it look more like a casting. But I did go ahead and make these out of brass. I thought, well, brass isn't really the appropriate material to use for these. So I cut some bronze and made a pair out of bronze. Although I did have a problem with these. I like the style of these a lot better. I've incorporated a larger space for the oil cup in the middle. I like the way the rails taper down to the mounting. But on these I did screw up, so I only actually made one out of the two. The other one is still kind of in a rough state. And I'm not going to finish these. I don't like the way that they turned out. So we'll scrap those. But I did make two more blanks, so I'm going to remake those out of bronze, basically with the new style to be the new crosshead guides for my engine. I've also gone ahead and cut a piece of cast iron bar to remake the top and bottom cylinder covers. I cut a piece of bright mild steel bar, 1.5 inches in diameter, to remake the crank disc. I've also decided that I'm going to go ahead and strip all the paint off of this. So let me mask this up and we'll go out and sandblast it and see how it turns out. So you can see I'm here masking up this engine base to take it out and sandblast it. You'll see I've put a piece of 1/4 inch rubber hose through the bore for the flywheel or for the crankshaft to protect the board surfaces from the sandblaster. I've also started masking up the top of the guide rails here for the crosshead. Thought you might enjoy seeing how I do this. So basically, take my piece of masking tape, put it on the surface I want to protect, and then it's very easy to cut this. I use a file, just run it along the edge, the sharp edge of the cast iron here. And it does actually make it very easy to mask that surface off. You don't want to be too aggressive because you're going to round the edges over, but you can see how easy it is to quickly mask an irregular surface this way. I don't know if everybody does it that way, but it works for me. And we're back from the blasters, which means we're back in from the garage. Sandblasting is done. It looks pretty good. There's a little bit of green paint left down in some of the nooks and crannies, but I'm pretty sure that'll not be an issue. Looks good. Till next time, thanks for watching Jim's Workshop, and if you like this, hit the thumbs up. Give me a subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel.